for Monday, December 4th, 2023. Update concerning convective outlook day 6. Valid for Saturday, December 9th, 2023. An upper-level trough is forecast to move into the southern plains on Saturday. Ahead of the trough, surface dew points in the 60s appear likely from East Texas into parts of Arkansas, where moderate instability could be in place by midday Saturday. Thunderstorm development appears likely during the day from East Texas northeastward into the mid-Mississippi Valley. The progressive nature of the trough, along with strong deep layer shear and adequate low-level moisture, will favor severe thunderstorm development. All hazards will be possible, including tornadoes, wind damage, and isolated large hail. Be sure to subscribe for future severe weather outlooks.